my food, you know what I mean? Got my food, got my, you know what I'm saying? Got my drink. Got the water in the back. You know, that's why I prop it up on. That's why I propped it up on. Spicy, you know what I'm saying? Why not get the spicy chicken sandwich? They better not put pickles on my shit. You know what I'm saying? We don't get no pickle. No pickle. I get it in my mind. I've been running on the freeway. I got 985. You know what I'm saying? Eat good. Eat good, man. I gotta eat better, though. I might get a salad today. You know what I mean? I gotta get a salad, man. Gotta get a salad. Drink a lot of water. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Tell you about every good day. It's a little mukbang. Slight mukbang. I didn't mean for y'all to see my food in my mouth. I didn't mean for that to happen. It just happened. You know what I mean? It's a mukbang though. Mukbang. See, I'm gonna hop on a game today. I'm not trying to play the finals though. I'm not trying to play it. Nah, but the finals been cool though. But I'm not in the gaming mood right now. That's what it is. Cause I gotta hit level 40 on 2K. I'm level 39. I don't feel like playing Brawlhalla. Too sweaty right now. I don't feel like playing Brawlhalla. The finals, I don't feel like, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like, you know what I mean? I don't feel like locking in right now in the game. I want to play, though. I don't mind. I want to go up there, turning my game on. I wouldn't mind doing that, but I just want to chill. You know what I mean? I just want to chill, eat my sandwich for a little minute. My little sandwich. I need to go on a trip. That's what I need to do. I need to go on a trip. Like tropical. Like a tropical trip. I'm talking about where that water look like that glacier freeze Gatorade. You know what I mean? It got that glacier freeze look. That clear blue. Ooh, I just want to lay in it. Take me away. I just want to lay in it, float in it, dive in it, something. Shit, I might want to drink the motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I might want to drink this shit. Nah, let me stop. But, nah, I need, you know what I'm saying? Nice on the coast. You see that water. You know what I mean? Just, oh my God. Shit, I might even bring a little joint out there. That would be a vibe. But I could go by myself. There's nothing wrong with being by yourself when you do these things. I want to do a vacation. Nice little getaway vacation. I want to try doing that by myself. See how I like it. I need a cut. But fuck all that. Nice little getaway vacation. I ain't never been out the country. I think it's time. I think it's time. It's time, B. Leave the country. A little weak vacay. Ain't gonna hurt. Ain't gonna hurt me. I'm telling you. And I gotta see that water. I need to be on the beach. So I'll go to Jamaica. DR. The Maldives. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go somewhere, man. I'm trying to go somewhere where I'm telling you what that water look like, that glacier freeze Gatorade, where it's just so clear. It look like this. Ooh. Get my little chair, sit on the beach. I'm just thinking about it. I'm over here in this cold weather with my shirt off. With my shirt off. Got my little shorts on. I might even have a little open shirt. We don't even know. One day I might want to go tank top. Then the next day I might want to go open shirt. Why not? Why not? Open shirt, get my little hat on. Nigga don't know about my hat. That's the type of vibe I'm on. That's the type of vibe I want to give. But I can't give up that vibe right now. Because I'm not there. I'm here. So, one day though. One day. We gonna get there. You see my chops coming in, my chops. But, no, one day. We gonna get there. We gonna get there. For sure. But we got grind right now though, man. Grind time. Grind it up. Grind it up. Spin it up. Whip it real good. I ate the fries in the car. Do what the heck I do? I tore them guys up. I ain't waste no time with those. I ain't waste no time. If I might want to go to Europe. Just out the country, bruh. Just out the country. I need to get out the country with it. Embrace our culture. See how the culture, like... Don't let me embrace no culture. Shout out Lee. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Lee. Yeah. Send me across the way. I'm ready. Don't send me to Hawaii. Give me the little Don't send me. I'm telling you, don't send me nowhere when they got their own dance. Cause I'm dancing. You best believe I'm dancing to that. You know what I mean, dude? That's what we do. We gonna embrace the culture, cause why not? I'm there. I don't care if I gotta. I gotta. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do something over there. I gotta do something. Shit, throw me in a circle. Throw me in the pit. Throw me in there. Yo, Wagwan. Wagwan Swati was a bad thing. Yeah. Wagwan Swati is a bad thing. I want to know. So. Send me across the way. Coming back with souvenirs and all that. You don't think I went on a goddamn safari. I'm telling you, bro. Don't send me across that water. Don't send me. Matter of fact, no. Send me across that water. Send me. Might want to go skydiving. You know what I mean? Also, man. You know how Black Panther, he was jumping out that plane? That's gonna be me. At the beginning scene, like, I will deploy me. Deploy. Nigga, what? You know what I'm saying? Nigga, what? This dude gonna be, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be my first time. So, they gonna have the guy guiding me. But I'm like, yo, you gonna have to know what I wanna do. Cause we might be doing some flips in the air. Do a flip. Cause you know what I'm saying? They used to the, you know what I'm saying, jumping out the plane and doing all that. We ain't going just no straight dive. No. We going out in style. Flip me. I'm gonna flip. Do a tuck. I wanna do a tuck. Okay. We tucking. Tuck, open up. Boom. Dive. Nigga, what? We landed in retail. We landed in retail row. Telling you, I ain't doing no straight dive down. And all that. No. We're doing a flip. And then we gonna get out there. We gonna bust out. Pull the chute. Man, I'm telling you, bro, don't put me in these situations, man. But jumping out of a plane, that's something I want to do. I want to do a little skydive. Shit, I'm done here. That's it for the little mukbang. The mukbang. Like I said, that's all we got. Chick-fil-A done. Somebody shut that bird up outside. You hear that? Where he at? But yeah. Look, dude, he wondering the same thing. What the fuck going on? Where is it, dude? But yeah. These are the things I want to do. Go on a trip. Tropical trip. Skydive. That's all I can think of right now. Just get me there. Now. 2024, get me there. 2024 is going to be the journey of me building to a point where, one, I'm financially stable. And two, go on trips and do things I like to do. Enjoy myself while I'm here. I'm going to enjoy myself. Not trying to be, live through this life, which is understandable. Which that's the life I do get and understand, because not every day is a wake up and be thrilled day. But I do want to enjoy myself. I do. That suspense, that That suspense. Give me some suspense. Jumping out of plane is gonna, boy, come on now, stop it. That's gonna, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna get me out there. That's gonna get me up. Literally, it's gonna get me up. It's gonna bring me down. So let's go skydiving. Shut my recorder on the way there. Get a little get a little GoPro on the head. What they know about it? A little GoPro. Why not? But yeah, I don't know what that was. Like some of my eye. My little ugly eye. Oh. But yeah. That's it for the little mukbang. Mukbang. Muk. Bang. Alright.